All right, let's talk about something pretty incredible. Have you ever dreamed of doing an internship abroad in your field, but then reality hits and you think, how could I possibly afford that? Well, today we're diving into an opportunity that could be a total game changer, a fully funded science and tech internship in Taiwan.
So let's just cut right to the chase. Are you a student in science or technology, and are you looking for an international internship that actually pays you? If you're sitting there nodding along right now, then you are definitely in the right place. You need to hear about this. Okay, so let's get into the details of this amazing opportunity. We're going to break down exactly what this program, the IIPP, is all about and why it just might be the perfect next step for you. So, what on earth is the IIPP? Well, it stands for the International Internship Pilot Program. It's run by Taiwan's National Science and Technology Council, or NSTC for short. And their goal? It's pretty straightforward, but it's a big one. They want to bring the best and brightest minds from around the world to Taiwan.
But here's the thing. This is so much more than just a summer internship. Taiwan is really thinking long-term here. They want you to come and see their incredible tech scene firsthand. They're hoping you get inspired, maybe stick around for a master's or a PhD, or, hey, even start your career there. It's all about building a richer, more global research community. It's a true win-win.
This all sounds fantastic, right? But the million-dollar question is, can you actually apply? So let's jump into the specifics of exactly who they're looking for.
Okay, so the eligibility is actually pretty simple. First up, you have to be an international student. Makes sense. Second, you need to be currently enrolled in a university that's outside of Taiwan. And it doesn't matter if you're doing your bachelor's, master's, or PhD. Third, and this one's really important, your field of study has to be in one of Taiwan's key strategic industries. Think things like semiconductors, AI, green tech, that kind of stuff. And finally, your internship has to be at a university or research institute in Taiwan.
All right, so if you're ticking all those boxes so far, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the logistics. When can you do this thing, and for how long? And honestly, the flexibility here is one of the best parts of the whole program.
Check this out. You can go for as little as 28 days, which, is perfect to squeeze into a winter or spring break. Or you can stay for up to 90 days, which is pretty much a full summer holiday. This range is awesome because it's designed to work with all sorts of different university schedules. And the start dates? They're just as flexible. So using the 2026 cycle as an example, you have this huge window. You can start your internship literally any time between June and December. This is a massive plus because we all know that academic calendars are different all over the world. You just find the time that works for you in that 7-month window.
Okay. Let's get to the part I know you've been waiting for, the money. How exactly does the funded part of this funded internship work? Let's talk about the stipend.
So, the program provides a daily stipend, and that number you're looking at right there is 1,000 new Taiwan dollars.
And the key word here is daily. That's not a one-time thing. You get that 1,000 NT dollars, which is roughly 30 US dollars, for every single day you're part of the program. Now think about that. If you do a full 90-day internship, that adds up to almost $2,700. That's a huge help with your living costs.
All right, let's zoom out for a second and look at the big picture here. Because this internship, it's not just about getting some cool experience for a few months. It's really designed to be a potential stepping stone for your entire career.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. The program's own official guidelines say it loud and clear. They are explicitly hoping that this internship acts as a launchpad. They're looking for people who might just fall in love with the research, the culture, the environment, and decide to stay for grad school or even start their career there. This isn't just an internship. It's basically an open invitation to build a future there.
So let's wrap up with this thought. What we have here is a flexible, funded, incredible opportunity to get hands-on experience in a global tech powerhouse, with the door intentionally left wide open for your future. Really, the only question left to ask is, could this be the first step in your global science and technology career?